Hi guys, welcome to the Essex Fashion House channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video showing you some authentic 2019 Prada packaging so you'll know what to look for when you're buying bags secondhand. And this bag is from the Prada store in Amsterdam. Got a pair of sunglasses there. And I'm going to show you this up close and I'll show you what the receipt looks like. First of all, you've got the Prada logo. And this should be all nice and crisp. It's like a dark blue. And if you look carefully, you'll see that the bag also has like the logo embossed on it. And one thing I did notice was that the embossed logo is not centered on the bag. But so if you ever see that, don't worry. It doesn't mean that it's not genuine because this came from the store. That's just what it looks like, I guess. Let's see the other side. The other side is the same. So both sides have the logo, Milano 1913, same thing down there. And on the bottom it says recyclable, reusable, 40% post-consumer recycled content, was made by Manetti Bags in Italy. And the handles are these kind of like rope, I guess. I don't know what to call that. It's nice and soft, carries comfortably. And they usually tie a little bow around here using the Prada ribbon. So this is white. I'm not quite sure what this is made from, but it's nice quality. And the Prada logo on there is like almost like rubber. So really nice quality. And we've got the receipt. So first of all, they give you the receipt in this little paper holder, which has Prada at the front. It's kind of shiny. This is smooth. It's like a dark blue. It matches the logo. And it opens up and it's got this little corner that holds your receipt in here. So let me just show you what the receipt looks like. So the receipt is like nothing special. It's just, this is obviously just printed off a computer. Non-normal paper. It's got Prada there. Up here it has the address of the store and the phone number. It's got customer number, all that stuff. Got the name of the sunglasses and the price and everything. And then at the bottom there's nothing. On the back it just has all like the returns information, but it's just one long page of text. So that's what the receipt looks like. Nothing fancy, but always good to know. Alright, that's it guys. I hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them below, and feel free to subscribe, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I've got several other videos coming. I'll do a video on the 2019 Chanel packaging, so you'll be able to see what a bag and receipt and everything looks like from there. That's it guys. Hope I'll see you soon.